My name is Karen and I'm the e-commerce manager here at B Company. So B Company started in 2009 and then they got their first web shop in 2014. But it was a lot of work and they didn't have a team to take care of the web shop. So then they, in 2019, asked Frans, our external consultant, to help them with creating a new web shop.
My name is Frans. I am the owner and founder of Unleash Consult, where we help companies accelerate their e-commerce business. I was approached by B Company and asked if I could come with some recommendation on how to grow their online business overall. At that time, they had around 1,500 to 2,000 SKUs, and the ambition was to grow their stock immensely. I realized and I recommended B Company to engage with the PIMP system. Having a huge inventory means a lot of work with the product data, and it always just keeps adding up. And one of the key components for an e-commerce business is to work actively with the product data. And having a PIMP system, it removes a lot of the manual work that you would otherwise need to do.
In 2019, when we got Plytix, we imported nearly 2,000 products to the PIMP system, and today we have almost 6,000 products on the web shop. So we have created almost 4,000 products in 2 years. Frans knew that to be able to handle all these 1,000 products, we needed a PIMP system. Plytix have helped us in many different ways, like how we can change the data quite fast, and one of the things that Plytix is helping us with is when prices increases, which they do a lot at the moment, then we can with a few clicks change thousands of prices on different products.
Before, big company needed to update the prices in their ERP system. Now they can change the prices fairly simple with a few clicks. An example of that would be special negotiated prices for individual key clients.
So we have a lot of regular customers who is placing their orders on our web shop, and some of them have special prices, and there we use Plytix to create these special prices. In the beginning we made static prices, which meant that when we then increased the normal sales price, the special price wouldn't increase the same. So we created a computed attribute where today when we have to make a special price for a customer, we can put in a percentage of the sales price and make sure that the customer is not suddenly getting a much cheaper price, because when the sales price go up, then the special price is also going up with the same percentage.
One of the most important things is the ease of use. The design of Plytix makes it very, very easy to, first of all, navigate in, but also import, export data. And I have not found that to be at the same level at the other PIMP systems that I have worked with. Using Plytix, you're able to really easily build a product feed and just throw it in there. And that means, your agency, or if you're running an in-house marketing team, they can, just grab it from there and get started right away.
Our software developer asked if we could change something on the website so the price would be including taxes. I said to him, yeah, we can do that easily in Plytix. Give me 2 minutes, I would just make a computed attribute, and then I have the prices with taxes that I can send with the feed.
Plytix is just, spot on for small and medium enterprises. Can definitely also handle large clients. Plytix is definitely one of the more affordable ones compared to other suppliers. Where I'm proud of working with Plytix is the customer service. What we have experienced is above and beyond, both when it comes to onboarding, but also, just regular challenges. We always get an answer immediately, or an ETA when we can expect something. And it's where Plytix distinguishes themselves from other systems.